Hello, everyone. I'm
Hello, ma'am.
extremely sorry for this delay. Actually, there was some network issue, I guess.
No problem, ma'am. Thank you for joining. So let's begin. Hello, everyone. I am Ananya Sabu, the editorial and social media head at Placement Cell Shivaji College, welcomes you all to this live session under our series Success Stories. Today we have with us Ms. Bhavna Khoval. She graduated from Shivaji College and completed her MBA from Guru Gobind Singh Indraprastha University. She is an engineering hiring specialist at Impeccable HR Consulting Private Limited and has a strong foothold in the recruitment industry. She is an expert in her field. We welcome you, ma'am.
Thank you so much.
Okay, so let's begin. Our first question is, can you describe what a normal day in your life looks like?
Normal day.
What do
It's
you do? How do you plan out?
yeah. I'm actually, I'm married. I have a small baby, and wake up early in the morning, and then having your this daily routine, having cooking for the my this my in-laws, cooking for my in-laws, and then going to the office. And when you go into the office, when I see into the office, I do not think about my family seriously, because when I'm doing my work, I'm doing my work. There
So
should
you
not be
completely focus.
yes. So whenever you're doing anything, you should be focused. This is what I'm doing. And when I come to home, yeah, this what but recruitment is something you have to be alert 24/7, because the interview call can come anytime. So you have to be alert every time. So this is what all about. But when I'm doing my job, I seriously do my job, and I'm very focused about it.
So you focus on what you do.
Exactly.
All right. Ma'am, next question. What's one thing that you think students should definitely know before going for the post of an HR?
Post of an HR.
Yes, ma'am.
Actually, this is everybody have their own specification. So it nothing about HR. It's not about finance or going into the marketing. It's like what you deserve, what you like, what is your preference. So yes, it's good to take the this guidance from your seniors. But the thing is, you should understand by yourself what exactly you want to do. Okay, so if you have good communication skill, if you have good interpersonal skill, go with this HR stream. That's very good for you. And recruitment is not an easy task. When you go into the recruitment in the first stage, you think like, wow, you have to just put all the skill set in the Naukri portal and you can grab the candidates. But this is not about the recruitment. Recruitment is very we can say smart process, because picking out a good talent for the good requirement, this is what all recruitment is.
So is are communication skills the one quality that you always look for in candidates?
Quality, that depends upon the what exactly the job look likes, because that is totally based on the job description. So some descriptions are very demanding, some are not, so that is totally depend on the job descriptions.
Okay, ma'am. So can you describe your college life in a word?
That seriously, when you ask this question, it's totally reminds me of the good things, the good memories in my college. I've enjoyed my life in my college,
That's
whether
great.
be it MBA or be it graduation. So it was good.
What was your favorite attending college?
I missed your last question.
Oh, sorry, ma'am. What was your favorite part about attending college?
Pardon?
What was your favorite part about attending college?
Favorite part? Attending the Abhishek.
Hello?
Hello?
Ma'am, am I audible to you?
Yes.
Ma'am, am I
Hello?
audible to you?
Yes, yes, you are audible.
Oh no, ma'am, I have not met. Actually, I've not been to college this year. So,
So you're not, the lucky person in the college, I said, because he was the only teacher there. You know, studying with him, it's totally different. So that was the only best part in my college.
that's great. Ma'am, what is one failure that taught you something that taught you a lesson that you will remember for lifelong?
Failure, I can't say it a failure, because I got placement in a in a recruitment firm, but somehow I don't know why, like, when I sent the acceptance to that offer, somehow I missed the ID to whom I need to send that acceptance. I missed that ID and I've sent it to the other person, and it was in my mind that I've already sent the acceptance to that offer. But that was, and after that I received the call that you can't join this organization because you have never sent the acceptance. I've called them that I
Um,
have to join from this date. I've already sent the acceptance. Now what things I need to follow up to when I'm joining. So they said I've never received your acceptance.
oh, so you missed that
That was,
opportunity.
yeah, that was one thing. So for some time it was, I thought it's a a great failure for me. But after that, it's a lesson that taught me, when while sending any mail, just go twice for that. That is what I learned.
Double check.
Exactly.
Got it. So, ma'am, is there any demotivating factor about your post that might make you want to change profiles?
No, there is nothing, because it totally depends on you, how you take it. You should be very optimistic while going in the any profession. I'm not talking about the HR one. It you should be optimistic whatever you are doing, because some in every job, your boss is on your head. You should be optimistic if he or she is demanding something from you, so because he's paying you, and it's not about the the salary only. It's all about your responsibility. You should take it as a responsibility, as opportunity. Then only you can do it successfully, and you should be very passionate about your job.
So, we should love what we do and we can
Exactly.
got it. So, do you have a mantra that keeps you moving forward in times of crisis?
In times of crisis, it totally depends. Actually, it going all over, because we are just I'm just into this field from last 3 years. There are people from last 10 years and they're also suffering, so we can't do it anything for this.
Okay, ma'am. If you get another chance to pursue a totally different career path, what field would you go in?
Fashion designing.
Fashion designing, that's great. Why exactly fashion designing?
Because when I was in the college, I used to stitch my dresses. I used to design my dresses. So that is something I escaped while pursuing my career. So that is one thing I usually think about it, that I should go with it, but I seriously don't have time for this, because I have messed up with so many things.
Right. Okay, so if one day you wake up and find that you've gone viral on the internet, what do you think it would be for?
My baby.
That's sweet.
That's you should connect your personal and professional life in such a way. That's the only thing.
Okay. And were you ever given a nickname in college that stuck with you?
Pardon?
Were you ever given a nickname in college that stuck with you?
No.
All right. So, ma'am, could you tell us more about the field of an HR and how we can pursue it, how we can go forward with it?
HR, human resource. Human resource, you should be, very good in terms of interpersonal skills only. Your communication should be good. It doesn't matter about the your language. You know, whether you're speaking in English, whether you're speaking in Hindi, the communication should be good. The person who is in front of you can understand you what you are speaking about. So that is what all about human resource. You know, if you are getting the good right communication from the person, then you will understand what he is trying to pursue, and after that you give them a right position. So connecting a right opportunity with the right person, that is human resource.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, any advice you would want to give everybody here?
uh, Actually, so sorry for that I'll be late just because of that work issue, but I'm very punctual about my career, about everything, seriously. So whenever you're going for anything, just be uh, prior 5 minutes or 10 minutes for anything. So be punctual, be optimistic. The first and foremost thing, be optimistic, because there are so many things in life which let you down, but take it as a opportunity, take it as a that yeah, it's good for you, whether something good is waiting for you. So you should be optimistic. That's what all.
We need to believe in yourself, believe in ourselves more than
Yes.
anything.
Yes.
Okay. I would now like to request the audience to put in their questions for Ms. Bhavna in the chat, and we will take them one by one.
Sure.
Sure, ma'am. Ma'am, have you adjusted well to work from home, or do you prefer going to the college?
Both. It depends. Just a sec, I missed one question. One of my friend, an MBA fresher need a job. I'm not here for job right now, actually. Just providing, and actually I'm not doing for the freshers. So now I'm engineering specialist, hiring specialist. So I have mid to senior level position. What do almost what do I like?
What do you like the
Like
most?
connecting to the people is the the things that I love. Connection with the people.
Ma'am, we have another question. What courses would you recommend for an HR?
You should go with the SAP HR.
Okay,
SAP.
SAP?
SAP.
All right. All right.
And you should be good in the your Excel and these Microsoft Office. In this is the you can pursue this
Basic skills.
basic skills.
All right.
And you should be the connection should be there. So be active on LinkedIn. So
All right. So, Mihira, it's SAP SAP.
no, it's SAP.
SAP. Any other questions?
No more questions.
What does it stand for? She's asking you to elaborate about SAP.
System application factor, I guess. System application processing.
System application processing. All right. So, ma'am, what sort of soft skills are required to do great in the field of an HR?
Good communication and be good on your the system.
Okay. Any other questions?
For
Ma'am,
freshers,
what
be
tips
confident.
would you like?
Yeah,
Confident.
be confident. Don't worry if you're lagging behind in answering any question. Just go with the flow. You can tell the interviewer that I don't know this answer, please change the question. So if you're not, how to improve communications, it's go with the flow. Just communicate with the people as much as you can.
Is there scope in HR
Yes,
field in the
yes,
future?
yes, there. It depends upon how you take it.
How we groom ourselves? Any more questions, guys? All right. So, ma'am, how did you prepare for your MBA? How was that journey?
Yeah, actually, there was 1 year gap. I prepared from a book, and some coachings were there. But after that, I realized there was no need of going to the coaching. Seriously, if anybody has joined, so you should be, you should prepare while you're doing your graduation. Read every book twice, thrice, that and read from 6th to 12th. Read each and every NCRT, and you can answer every this questions coming in the entrance exam, and be
Okay.
aware with the general knowledge.
So you prepared yourself only at the end.
No, I went to these coaching centers, but nothing will work out. Then after that, I have prepared by myself.
Okay. Ma'am, how did you justify your gap year?
I've prepared myself. There was some, personal issues also there.
All
So
right.
I
All right.
prepared a gap of that 6 months. After that, for 6 months, I've totally prepared by, searching from the search engine and from so many books. I took the books from 6 to 12, read in NCERT, and then I've given the exam.
Okay. And
This
ma'am, what
job
was
of
the best
HR,
part about?
just a sec, there is one question
Sure,
from.
ma'am.
No. Job of HR is not only about the taking interviews. There are when you are interviewing one candidate, there are sometimes candidates bluff you. They said that they are not holding any offer, or they are not going with this opportunity, they are interested for this. So you have to be very smart to understand about the candidate. It is not all about taking the interviews, what technical skills are required, isn't it?
So, ma'am, what is the
Technical,
process of? Sorry, you can
yeah,
answer that question.
you should be good in this Microsoft Office.
Okay, so ma'am, what is the process of hiring a candidate? Like, do you search for databases or do you only take in the applications that come?
It comes experience. When I joined, I just put the keywords in the Naukri and took out the candidate. But now there are positions where talent availability is less. When there is no candidate available for such particular job opportunity, we have to find that candidate, because sometimes candidates are not available on the portals, or even on the LinkedIn, not even on the Naukri portal, any other job portals. You have to find that candidate. For that, you have to do referencing. So
Making
that
connect.
is, yes, making connection, making. If you have to search. The candidate is sitting. Headhunting is the last option. Headhunting. When the candidate is not looking for a job and is not available on any portal, but you have to reach that candidate and pitch them a job, and make him and convince him or her for such particular job.
Ma'am, Does the job of an HR end after you have selected a candidate and sent the offer letters? Does it end there?
Missed your last part. Just to check, I missed
Sorry.
one question from Angel Sikri. What all domains are there other than hiring for HR? I'm not understanding your question. What all domains are there then?
Ma'am, I think she wants to ask, other than hiring, what all does an HR do? Or what all can an HR do instead of just hiring people? Is there
Yeah,
something else?
it's connecting. There are people in human resource. It's not all about hiring. We have to deal with the clients. We have to deal with, client HRs. There's multiple clients, be it JP Morgan, or be it automobile sector, there are Bajaj. So in for these companies, we are dealing with the HRs also, and we are also involving in some some grooming skills. So this is not all about hiring.
Ma'am, there's another question. What would increase someone's chances while applying in a good company off campus?
Yeah, there are. What would increase someone off campus? Yes, there are chances.
Okay. Any more questions? Let me just check for now. Ma'am, any final piece of advice for all of us?
Be
What we should do in
optimistic.
college?
Everything you do, and be focused.
Okay. So, ma'am, was it easy to adjust to work from home suddenly? It was all right for you.
Yes. Sometimes
Okay.
it makes you lazy, but do not, you just have to be very focused about what you're doing.
All right. So, since there are no more questions, um, thank you so much for your time, ma'am. Thank you for your guidance. It was a pleasure to have you, and I'm sure students will take a lot of learnings from this live. Thank you for being here and talking to us.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am.
Wish you all the best, everyone.
Thank you. Thank you.